I thought we agreed that you wouldn't come here unannounced. What is it?
Yeah, but you're not answering my calls.
I'm busy, John. Busy? Busy working the money? Busy.
Say that busy. Where can just return a call?
Why are you here, John? Why?
I wanted to talk to you about something.
We have nothing to talk about.
Ren, come on, it's been 8 months.
And that means what exactly? What? I should allow you to walk back into my life after everything that happened? You must be cotton picking crazy.
That's not what I'm saying, Ren, but we must can have a civil conversation.
About what?
Um, so, or the girls.
Why don't you ask them yourself?
Well, hmm, I would want to, but it seems as if they've changed your number.
Hmm, I really wonder why.
Ren, I hope you're not encouraging the
Let
girls
me
to.
stop you just right there, right now. Now! Don't you come here with your gaslighting and your selective memory. Don't come here so with it.
I'm not picking a fight. I'm just saying that, hope you never say anything to them.
Tell them what? Tell them what? Your daughter saw you in a compromising position with this young woman on the hood of your car. That's why your kids don't talk to you.
Renee, I've been trying to tell you that they framed me.
Oh, yes. I forgot. They drugged you.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. They set me up with this young lady and she drugged me. It was a perfect setup.
Hmm. So they deliberately drugged you, intentionally drugged you. So my question, Mr. Majors, how did she get in your car? Did they drug her too and put her in the car? John, I know the size women that you like. I once was that size before our two daughters. Do you know how insecure it made me feel seeing you in those pictures? And to make matters worse, John, you're using the agency to cover up your infidelity.
Whether you believe it or not, Mullings and his team came after me, all because I was investigating them.
Bullshit. Sell that to someone who's buying it because I'm not. You've become too obsessed, John, with Mullings and the agency. Let it go. Let it go.
Let it go? Are you fucking kidding me? You know more than anyone else what this spawn of Satan has done to me. My father was supposed to be the one who should have been in that seat. Oh, what Mullings do? Mullings disgrace him and push him out. He never recovered. That man died from a broken heart. So now he's taken my family from me. My kids don't speak to me, and my wife sees me as an infidel. And you want me to let it go? No, 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 no. He pays in full. I will let this go when hell freezes over, and he will pay in blood.
John, you can't continue with this level of bitterness. You can't. You have to take some level of accountability for your contribution to this situation.
I have, and I'm currently paying for it to the point where I'm completely broke. But that also means I have nothing to lose.
John, I hope you find peace in this madness you're pursuing.